Now let's go to the function explanation. The driving speed is used to control the speed of walking. Speed up. Reduce. Front and rear, left and right. As the name suggests, run back. Back hands to move back to the left. Move right. OK. Then choose the operation mode. Let's take a look. Choose how to run. Yes, the gallery can be modified. The way of linear welding and cutting swing. Amplitude of swing. It comes with a lot of heads. This is a way of cutting. Let's take a look now. Gallery. I just talked about the way of welding. Let's talk about the conditions of the gallery now. Gallery. Press confirm. The machine comes with 40 commonly used pictures. Each can be arbitrarily edited to its size for cutting. Let's take this as an example. Take any one. A1 and A2 can be adjusted with the knob. A1 and A2 are the length of the let-in and let-out wires, determined according to the thickness of the plate. So let's say we want to regulate it. When this white cursor material is selected, press this knob. The numbers are out. We can adjust it arbitrarily. After the adjustment is completed, just press confirm. It becomes 5. Look at the size. We can also adjust it arbitrarily. Same way. Either way, the unit here is millimeters. Then we cut 118 square. Then, this side is if it is adjusted. If you adjust this large number, hundreds or thousands, just press it to adjust. We just adjusted to 118. We're also tuning a 118 now. Is this a quick adjustment? You can also directly select the knob that never moves. Let it grow automatically. This horizontal and vertical is 118. And that concludes it. Then we press start. Plasma or flame will start to work. It has a warm-up time, piercing time. The machine will start working.